Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to renew your ILOE insurance through online. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just open your browser and search for ILOE.ae and click on it. And here under Involuntary Loss of Employment, click on subscribe here. And here select the sector and click on confirm, and now you can see that it's opened the sign in page. Here you can log in with either OTP or registered user. I am here choosing login with OTP. Here enter your Embrace ID or UID number. Here enter your mobile number. Here choose the date of birth. Then here click on request OTP. Now you will receive one OTP to your mobile number. Just enter that OTP here and click on submit. Now you can see that login is okay. Also you can see here one pop-up with your insurance details such as category and monthly policy premium details. And here you can see all the details about your insurance. Just scroll bottom of the page, there you can see that your previous policy details. For me it is time to renew my policy. This will expire within days. So here I click on confirm. Here you can choose how long you are going to renew this policy. Previously I was renewed yearly basis. Now it is showing only 2 years, and here you can choose the payment method, which means you can pay the amount full or half or quarterly basis. Then tick on accept terms and conditions. Then click on pay now. Now it's gone to the payment page. Here choose your payment mode and proceed to pay. Okay, now the payment is completed and you will get the PDF document for the same. Also, if you want to print the document, click on print here. Now click on home button. Here just scroll down and the bottom of the page you can see that the renewed insurance is added. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.